Can you say hi, Tavy? Say hi, Tavy. Yeah. Everybody wants to see you. You're such a big, strong girl. You got a little something on your face. No, you don't want me to? Okay. All right. Yeah. She says, I'm feeling pretty strong. Aww. I'm doing my very best. Her little foot is much less swollen. She's still holding it funny. But she's a strong little girl. She's doing her very best. And she's so sweet. She's just a little love. Aren't you, honey bun? Just thank you very much for all the prayers and all the good wishes. Yeah, she's working hard. Trying hard to get better. Yeah. She's a little tough one. Alright, see you later. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?